Women are more attracted to men with a good sense of humor. This is because men who have a strong sense of humor tend to be intelligent and honest as well. Women find taller men more attractive than shorter men. This is because taller men generally look stronger than shorter men. Women find men with deeper voices way more attractive than men with loud or high-pitched voices. Usually, a woman's voice will sound higher pitched when she is flirting or attracted to a man. Women tend to find men that smell like their fathers more attractive. Science also shows that different scents ignite different types of attraction in some women when trying to choose a partner. Women are way more attracted to guys who initiate or start a conversation. Studies show that women with older fathers are often attracted to older men and vice versa. If a girl touches her lips while talking to you, it means that she is trying to bring attention to her shape. Women are attracted to men who are mysterious, have beards, and don't smile a lot. This is because men who don't smile a lot look stronger in appearance. Research shows that a woman is more attracted to a man when she is uncertain if he likes her or not. Men are more attracted to women who feel good about themselves and have high self-confidence. Study shows that women are more attracted to men who wear blue while men are attracted to women who wear red. Heavy women will attract men who are under a lot of stress. Psychology says that you are more likely to tease or mimic someone you are attracted to. Women are more attracted to men who pay attention to them and remember every little detail about them without being reminded. Psychology says that the color red is the most attractive color for both women and men. Other bright and warm colors are also perceived as sexual and attractive as well. Research shows that people who look into each other's eyes for a long period of time tend to form a stronger attachment and increased affection for one another. Have a crush on someone? Try making eye contact. Psychology says that if you are on a date with someone who is blushing a lot, it means that the person is attracted to you. Studies show that women who smile often are found to be more attractive by men, and men who smile less are found to be attractive by women. Studies show that small-sized women have better chances of finding dates than women who weigh 20 pounds more than they should. Men tend to be attracted to slim and fit women over overweight women. Studies show that men prefer larger breasts over small breasts. They find women with large breasts more attractive, even women with less attractive facial